Don't be poor. Don't be poor. Make up your mind. I will not be poor.
Hi, and it's called. Today we'll be making boiled yam with spinach, egg sauce, and shredded chicken. Okay, so already I've been peeling the yam. Okay, this yam won't fall my hand, but I won't let it happen. I will not. None shall rest at all. Not in my presence, I'm telling you. Guys, this yam is about spoiling, but I won't let it happen. Okay, I will cut off the spoiled area and cook the remaining of the good part. Okay, for this obodo ibe where African food stuff costs like this, and you come to throw away food anyhow. No, it won't happen. I'm cutting all the yam, okay, removing the spoiled area. Yeah. I don't cut and finish, so I wash it inside the pot. Okay, but before washing it the last time inside the pot, I'll wash it 2 times to remove all the sand and dirt and yama in it. Yeah, so I'll now put it on the stove, add water and salt, and then cover to cook. Okay, there's some that doesn't add the salt in their yam, but I don't know how that yam will taste without salt. I add salt in mine. Okay, now the yam is well cooked, but I had to use my fork to confirm it. Okay, as you can see, yeah, it's well cooked now. So I have to scoop it and set it aside. In a frying pan, I'll be adding a little vegetable oil, because of course I'll be using shredded chicken. Yeah, kebab shredded chicken. Remember, it's already seasoned. Okay, but I'll be adding a little curry to make it more tastier. Okay, it's frozen as you can see, but when frying it will defroze and stir fried well. I just added the curry as you can see now, so I will stir fry it for 10 minutes. Okay, and I will set it aside. Shout out to all my newest subscribers. You guys are the best. I'm glad to have you all here. To my returning mamas, OGs, lovelies, friends, subscribers, after you guys, now you. You guys are one in a million. Thank you for always engaging my channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch, like, comment, and share. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much. So guys, the shredded chicken is now well stir fried. I now scoop it aside, and in the frying pan I added another vegetable oil and added onion, sauteed it for a few minutes, and then go ahead to add this tomato. Okay, then I'll stir fry for some minutes, and then go ahead to add curry, garlic powder. Add means garlic, okay, in English, and then ginger, zenzero. Yeah, zenzero is ginger, okay, it means ginger in English. So I added them, and then add a little Scotch bonnet pepper. Add as much as you want. Okay, I added it because of my kids. Then I added crayfish. So I will stir well to combine, introducing them to one another. Okay, my work is to introduce them, and the rest is in their hands. Okay. So I added the sliced red, bell, and green peppers. Okay, I stirred them well to combine, and then added just 1 nut cube for seasoning. Yeah, I love nut cube, so you can add any seasoning of your choice. Okay, then comes the turn of beaten egg. Yeah, I added the 2 beaten eggs, then I cover it to cook for 2 minutes. Okay, before I then stir it well. As you can see, our egg sauce is getting ready. Okay. So lovely. If you've watched to this moment or to this extent and you've not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. You will definitely love it here. Yeah, trust me, you will do love it here. Okay, also turn the notification on to know when I post a new video. Okay, please remember not to skip the ads too. Okay, it's just some few seconds to play, so don't skip it. That's the only way we can earn from this our work. Okay, thank you so much. So at this point I added the spinach. Okay, this is spinach, and added spinach to garnish it. I added before, but it was not enough, so I had to add more. Okay, you can use pumpkin leaf or any leaf of your choice. Okay, and tada, our spinach egg sauce is all ready. I added a little salt to it. I didn't add salt before, but I added now. Okay, I stir it well to combine, introducing them to one another, and then go ahead to test if everything is well combined and coordinated. And yeah, it tastes heavenly. So I added the shredded chicken now. I stir it well to combine. Let the both shredded chicken and the egg sauce infuses its flavor. Okay. And yeah, our spinach egg sauce with shredded chicken is all ready. Lovelies, do you like what you're seeing? Do you like it? Yeah, I know you will like it. I know. Okay guys, come and join me please, okay? Thank you for watching till this moment, and see you in my next video. Bye. Ciao.